All right, let's get to it. How's it going, guys? Mike from Via Trading here. We're just gonna walk you through a quick unboxing video of our KM department store shelf full kids clothing. So these are case packs. They come with 150 pieces, you can see right here, at $1.75 a piece, $262.50 total for the entire case. These are unmanifested, so you don't know exactly what you're gonna get in there, but you're gonna get an assortment of kids clothing from this particular department store. And some of the brands you find are Hanes, Everlast, private label brands, Disney, Fruit of the Loom, so on and so forth. But I said, let's get right to it. And look, we've got a cool Via Trading box cutter for you. All right, so the case you receive is just like this. You'll have the warning seal tape so that nobody can tamper with it, nobody can open it while it's on its way to you. And I do not want to cut any of the clothing either. All right, so this is how you receive a case. I'm just going to quickly use another case as a table for you guys. You can get a... All right, sorry about that. We had to cut for a second. We were asked where the bathroom was. It's all the way at the back of the warehouse. Long walk, but hopefully he made it. Anyway, let's get right back to it. Let's show you the kind of items you can find in here. So everything from big winter jackets. You get some leggings, sweatpants. Not sure what these are called, but we're gonna go with long sleeve t-shirts. These are some of your licensed goods from the likes of Avengers. This one is actually awesome. What is it? Transformers with some sort of Transformer bling. These are some of the private label t-shirts. Swimsuit, I'm gonna go with. Give you a better idea of what you can expect to receive in these case packs. Make sure to subscribe on top, thumbs up, down, comment down, and if you have any questions, just give us a call, 877-202-3616. Thanks.